How to verify Cash App. First things first, open up your Cash App. From your main screen, look up at the top right corner and tap right on your profile icon. That's going to bring you straight to your account settings menu. From here, just scroll down a tiny bit until you see the Security and Privacy row with the little shield icon, and give that a tap. Once you're inside Security and Privacy, scroll down past your active devices. You'll see a section titled Identity Verification. Now on my screen right here, you can see that my account is already marked as verified with this green badge. But if you haven't completed yours yet, Cash App will give you an additional button right underneath this text to tap on and kickstart the official verification process. Just a quick heads up before you click it. Make sure you have your physical driver's license or a valid government-issued state ID sitting right next to you. The app is going to guide you to snap a crisp photo of your ID, and then it'll quickly use your front camera to take a secure selfie to confirm it's really you. It takes less than 5 minutes to submit. Now that your identity is all set up, the next crucial step to actually using your account is connecting your money. Click right here on my next video where I break down exactly how to link a bank account to Cash App in just a few taps. See you over there.